Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study efficiently in university. First, let's set the stage for success. Find a quiet, dedicated study space where you can focus without interruptions. Understanding your unique learning style is crucial. Are you a visual, auditory, or kinesthetic learner? Tailor your methods accordingly. Before you begin, set clear, achievable goals for each study session. This helps maintain focus and provides a sense of accomplishment, making your study time much more productive and less overwhelming. Now, let's dive into active learning strategies. Instead of passively reading, actively engage with your material by summarizing key points in your own words and asking critical questions. A powerful technique is to teach concepts to a friend or even an imaginary audience. This truly solidifies your understanding. Don't forget to regularly utilize practice problems and past exams. This not only tests your knowledge, but also familiarizes you with exam formats, boosting your confidence significantly. Effective time management is your secret weapon. Try the Pomodoro technique, 25 minutes of focused work followed by a 5-minute break. This rhythm helps maintain concentration and prevents mental fatigue. Scheduling regular, short breaks is essential to avoid burnout and keep your mind fresh. For quick tasks, apply the 2-minute rule. If it takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. This prevents small tasks from piling up and becoming overwhelming, keeping your study flow smooth. Finally, consistent review and self-care are non-negotiable. Regularly reviewing material, perhaps weekly, helps transfer information from short-term to long-term memory, making recall much easier during exams. Prioritize getting adequate sleep. 7 to 9 hours per night is ideal for optimal cognitive function. Remember to maintain a balanced diet and incorporate regular physical activity. Taking care of your physical and mental well-being is just as important as your study habits for overall academic success.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.